This is the 15 to 16-year-old girls 4x100-meter relay. On to the fast start through the first 100 meters into the first exchange. It will be DeSoto Swift, NTC, running 1 and 2. On the back straightaway, NTC. Running third is Nitro. Second exchange underway, NTC. DeSoto Swift into the turn. Beginning to turn it on, Swift. On the outside, NTC remains your leader. Third and final exchange underway for NTC. DeSoto Swift, 75 meters remaining. At the line, it will be NTC.